Hi guys, Chris here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage. PJ here with me. PJ is going to be projecting because his mic just went dead. So PJ, you project, and you'll get picked up by my mic. There are, what is today, 22nd?
5 days?
5 days left to enter to win the Charger 500 in the Charger Dream Giveaway. We've been talking about this all week. Today, I'm going to show you the hero card. This is what was at the car shows that you used to go to. Such cool stuff here. It talks about Ray Evernham owning it, but also talks about the engine trans and rear end being rebuilt. Cool stuff. Engine is balanced. It's got a 6-pack camshaft, other good stuff. 354 ratio on the Dana rear. That's nice. Talks about all this stuff. Remember, 37 verified 444-speed transmission Charger 500s are known, but there are 173 they don't know what trans they came with. One of 392, we've told you that the whole time. All sorts of restoration stuff here. But you haven't seen the mother load of restoration receipts until you follow me on over to our conference room where we moved out the Mustang documents because the Mustang is finally on its way to Great Britain. And we're going to show you all the cool restoration photos and receipts for the Charger 500. You want to come along with me?
Yeah, that's fun.
Come on.
People who are really into restoration and that kind of stuff. Really
Yeah, absolutely. How did a BMW M4 get on Muscle Car Row? Still a great car, and someday it will be a classic, right?
Right. Muscle car.
Muscle car. It is a muscle car. Okay.
Chris, we have a lot of stuff here.
We have a lot of stuff here. I think whoever restored this also did a 572 Hemi, and if someone is missing their documents on a 572 Hemi, we have them. The rest of this stuff belongs to the Charger 500. You can look here then in 2018.
That's a big pile of stuff here.
That's a big pile. I'm just going to show you here is in the body shop here in DeLand, Florida. And they did some work on it, 2018, so that's when it looks like the restoration was nearing its completion, 2019, so on and so forth. But I know you guys would like to see some photos of the restoration. Let's do that, PJ.
Yeah, this is quite interesting here.
Yeah, so there it looks like a vehicle all done, ready to show right after the restoration. You can see that deck lid with the limited slip sticker. And there we go, guys, here you go. So you know what you're looking at here. To me, it looks like that's on a rotisserie, right? Yeah, of course it is. Look, it's on the rotisserie because it's sideways. I thought maybe I was getting dizzy. Here you can see they took everything out right down to the floor pans, cleaned all that up. There you can see the body, them getting the rear quarter primed and smooth and ready to go. There's the body there. It looks like it's all in primer now, waiting to get sprayed, and then reassembly. And here we go, that Charger red paint, you can see that coming on now. This is what you call a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. There's that rotisserie again. It's, for you guys not familiar with it, like a rotisserie chicken, but a whole lot bigger, but don't try to eat the metal, right? There you go. And then we get over, here's the fun stuff. You can see one of the, that look like a head, yep. Head right there, block right there. Coming on in here, you can see them starting to install the brake system right there, that the windshield wiper set up there, if I'm correct. Over here, we've got that long block fully assembled and ready to go back in.
It's a lot of work to put together this car.
It is so much fun work. Yeah, here, look how good that engine looks. And there are notes there, finally installed. This is good. PJ, we got a few minutes? Can we just kind of go through these?
Yeah.
There you see the engine in the car. You can see the valve covers are off. So you can see the rockers and the springs. And then,
Mind if I just put it down here, just a little bit of...
Yeah, let's do that, PJ. Let's do that.
Here.
Yeah, good. So PJ's, there we go. Oh, that looks great, like a movie theater, PJ.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you can see a little bit.
Well, now you guys can see. I can't see a darn thing. But here you can see more restoration photos here. Looks like maybe a torque converter over there that they're working on. More shots of the body coming together. And, oh, there you go. There's that really cool 4-speed shifter on the 4-speed Mopar tranny. Again, this is a 440 4-speed car. Before I do any more, who's watching us, PJ?
Well, Larry West says documentation is great for car shows and collectors.
Really, really is. And Larry, we always appreciate your comments.
And Jason is really happy that we give him a tour here. He appreciates the little quick tour here. That
Oh, there you go, Jason.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah, thanks for visiting us here. Here you can see they're working on that solid axle. And looks like we got ourselves, the light in here is really bad, but it looks to me that we've got a bell housing and a clutch set up there. And now some more shots of the vehicle coming together, the interior going in.
What year do you think this started, this restoration?
I don't know, PJ. I'm guessing maybe 2016, 2017. And it probably took several years to get through it. Big shout out to Legendary Interiors for the interior. They're one of our great partners on this. And keep on going on through here, and you can see other restoration photos. And then,
of course, whoever wins this will get all
that's
of the
right.
documents.
All of this will go with the winner. And guys,
We don't even know what's in this stack. It's a big stack.
I think whoever restored this, they were so meticulous, they saved their receipts for their Pepsis from the soda machine. Because I think I saw one of those in here.
Yeah, there's
but
a lot.
regardless, this will, just like all the paperwork went with the Mustang to the winner, whoever wins this Charger 500, and PJ, let's go out and show it in real life.
Yeah, absolutely.
We'll go ahead and get all of those documents and those photographs that went along with the restoration. So that's so exciting. And now, here is the fruit of their labor, as they used to say. Charger 500 Concours restoration. So guys, when I tell you it's a rotisserie restoration, I wasn't just making that up. We have the photographs there that shows us that that is exactly what happened. And here's exactly what's going to happen if you have the winning ticket. Did you like how I put that together, PJ?
It was a great lead.
We're going to see you here in the Dream Giveaway Garage.
Standing right under there.
Standing right under there, where one of our charities is going to hand you the keys, and PJ is going to sign over the title, and you're going to own this Charger 500 if you have that lucky ticket. There's one thing I can tell you with certainty, and that is, if you don't have an entry, you're not going to win. If you entered and you're helping out charities, you're already a winner, and whoever has that one lucky ticket is going to not only take home this Charger 500, but we're going to pay the federal prize tax up to the amount that we state in the rules, right?
That's right, but 5 days left.
5 days left.
That's it.
And being humanoids with 4 fingers and a thumb, we can very accurately visually display how many days are left for you to enter to win. 5. How do you do it? Larry, you know how. Tell them how, Larry.
And Roger.
And Roger, you guys know how. Go to dreamgiveaway.com, use promo code Facebook Live, get those bonus tickets. It all ends at midnight Pacific Daylight Time on Tuesday. That's the 30th?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure it ends on a Tuesday?
I don't know.
Okay.
I thought we had 5 days. Today's Thursday.
Friday, Saturday, Monday, I thought it ends on a Wednesday or a Thursday. Someone tell me what day of the week the 30th is, will you?
The 30th is the day we're picking the Miata winner.
Oh, that's what it is. We're picking the Miata on the 30th. Okay, that's cool. And then on the 14th, we're picking the Camaro winners? Something like that.
Larry West has got our website address there, so I'll go ahead and show that. Giveaway.com.
Larry, thank you so much for that. Great car for you guys to win. And listen, this isn't the last classic Mopar that we're giving away, because now let's walk all the way back over to the Demon 340.
We don't have to go too far to find another Mopar car here.
That's right. The car that started it all in the Demon legacy, the 71 Demon 340.
And the amazing color.
Amazing color, citron yellow. And it looks like some of the boss's camera gear is still in there. We promised to remove that before we give you the keys if you're the winner. And what a great car. And what a different, I mean, we're talking 2 years difference between the Charger 500 and the 71 Demon 340, but what an incredibly different car. One being a big block 4-speed, really set up for high-speed aerodynamics. super speedway, NASCAR racing. The other being something you'd see in high school parking lots, something that you'd see, you know, outside of a college dorm, something. I'd say Walmart's. I guess they had Walmart's all the way back in '71, but probably only in Arkansas, right? That you'd see at your Piggly Wiggly or whatever your supermarket was back in the day. And what a neat car that Demon 340 was. PJ?
Thomas wants to know, Firebird or Camaro?
Oh, don't ask me. Oh, I could start stories hours and hours on end.
I would say you're going to pick the Firebird.
I'm gonna pick the, well, oh, meaning the Camaro that we're giving away, or the Firebird, or Firebirds or Camaros in general, which do I prefer? So there's two different questions here. If you're just talking in general, Pontiac Firebird and Trans Am over the Camaro for me. I was the editor of High Performance Pontiac magazine. Has a very fond place with me. However, if you talk about which one I'd rather win here in the Dream Giveaway Garage, oh guys, okay, my Pontiac fans, I'm going to let you down really, really easy on this. I love that Z28. I really, really do. That Firebird though, man, convertible. Those of you who know me know that I love first-gen Firebirds, so it's a tough one, but there's something magical about that Z28 to me.
That's right. Thomas says he loves them both.
Good, I love them both too. That's the answer I should have said. All right, guys, remember 5 days left, and we got lots of stuff coming up. The awards ceremony we're starting to work on for the Miata, waiting to call the winners for the Camaros. And PJ, what you got?
Jason says, what's that promo code again, Chris?
That promo code, in case you didn't hear it, is Facebook Live if you're watching us on Facebook, and YouTube if you're watching us on YouTube, because we simulcast or multi-stream or whatever the phrase is, right? You can watch us on both of those internet addresses.
And if you have two computers and you're watching them at the same time,
you can do that in stereo. There you go. All right, guys, tomorrow we're going to fire up the Charger for Fire It Up Friday, and maybe we'll do, is it too early to do a sneak peek tomorrow? It is.
Too early.
Too early, okay. We got some cool stuff planned for April, but that's, we'll talk about that after Charger ends. We'll see you guys tomorrow. More great fun, more great action, more great grand prizes. It only happens here live in our favorite place on earth, the Dream Giveaway Garage. For DreamGiveaway.com. See you guys tomorrow.
See you next time.